Everybody, we're live. Monday, May 29th, and the last week of May is practically over. We need to cover what has happened in Envelop, the life of DAO Envelop on the weekly community call with Alex Shedogubov, the DAO Genesis member, and Eugene Crypto MC. So, Alex, welcome. Let's start with the news as always. What was so important we need to share from the last week with our audience today?
I'm sure that the most important thing and widely discussed in crypto community, it was about the initiative of Ledger to make partly storage of the private keys in the cloud storage and use it your ID to if you need to restore your wallet and all that stuff. So it's, I think, totally goes in dissonance with the crypto community ideology and all the red lines that are written even by Satoshi before that. So here we offer a tool that can help you even if you store, for example, your assets on your cold wallet or hot wallet. And in a case, if they, for some reason, been stolen, you got a way to get them back. So it's done via our CrossNFT. It can be assumed a wallet or CrossNFT. So simply you just put on a PIN code for your NFT with your assets, put it in your cold storage. And it's like an emergency button. For example, if they are stolen, you got a way to burn this key, enter PIN code, and get back your assets to the uncompromised wallet. It could be even new one. So you got a new kind of dimension of security for your assets. And here we just imagine that in case if Ledger is hacked or someone stole your seed phrase, here the tool and instructions step by step what you need to do to ensure that your assets will be safe, not only storing by cold, but also have additional passphrase or PIN code that protects your assets, and you are if you are the owner of this NFT key, so you are protected from some cases. And even just imagine that some hackers hacked an NFT with your assets. He tries to trade it somehow, but only you got the right to unpack the assets lying inside and appoint a wallet where you want to withdraw them. So that's what we did previously, and thanks Ledger, thanks to the initiative that they gave us a wonderful use case how to show it to the audience and why the programmable assets needed to be in the market. And I was sure that it's a new trend for the next cycle of the market. And here we got day-to-day crypto life shows us that where they are needed and why they are needed and important.
Well, let me paraphrase, like, how do I understand this case? This is a new use case, which may be called CrossNFT wallet, because Envelop often uses wallet analogy. So you put your assets inside of a wallet in form wrapped NFT. So the CrossNFT technology using wrapped NFT technology, so sorry for tautology, enables us a use case of making our assets safe, even if our seed phrase has been stolen. And this use case works like we put our assets in form wrapped NFT, use CrossNFT and pin NFT pin codes for NFT key technology, and this lets us, in the case if the seed phrase has been stolen, not lose our assets, but reopen this wrapped NFT on another chain and take away our assets. So it protects our assets from actual stolen, even if the seed phrase has been stolen. So our assets are protected. They cannot be stolen with the help of this CrossNFT technology. Am I getting this right?
Yeah, right. For example, it can be analogy. For example, you got a safe with all your cash and someone stole your safe. You know how to open it, but he stole it somewhere. But you got a tool where you can teleport all the money out of the safe, even if it's 1,000 kilometers out of you. And here we did it in crypto space.
Also, guys, all the guide, how to, I understand that sounds like a sort of revolutionary technology, how to keep our assets safe if the seed phrase is stolen. From the first site, it looks like something crazy, right? But nonetheless, CrossNFT use case allows us to use NFT from Envelop like a wallet, which protects your assets in the case of if your asset phrase has been actually stolen. Sounds like fantastic, but the old guide has been written in this article on our Medium. Please read it carefully. It's called Ledger Has Fallen, but CrossNFT wallet is an alternative. It utilizes different chains, right? Different chains, and this graphic illustration shows how does it work in, shows simple visualization. So read this article carefully and write in comments below. Does it help you in the case of sort of ledger case, ledger keeping seed phrase case, I would call it. That's all of this
Yeah, and I think that's it also a good way to improve, like for Trezor, for Ledger, they are cold storages. Like, guys, feel free to communicate, and I think it's a wonderful use case, like to show you kind of level of security for your devices.
I could say the following: if you have a wallet which keeps any assets, and any wallets may be compromised, so its seed phrase may be stolen. So the CrossNFT wallet use case from Envelop is suitable for that situation, absolutely. And we may theoretically apply this concept to any case of keeping any assets on any wallets. So we need to dive into how does it work. Envelop enables the actual solution, real solution for this use case. So read it carefully and learn it carefully how it works. This sounds fantastic. I really love this use case. We really need to practice that out. Okay, let's go further. Envelop is on Magic.store. What does it mean? Why is it important?
It's important because we want to deliver our products to a wider audience and hear the word for the projects to be more visible there, and we see that there is interest for our application, and it's nice if our community also be more active in supporting this, because I'm glad that such a tools appear, like similar to App Store or like Google Play, and where we got apps for Web3. And I'm sure that programmable digital assets applications should be there. And we, as the most developed protocol and Oracle system for these assets, will take this place. And we just need a bit support from the community on this vote to give more value.
So Magic.store is a sort of space, not a marketplace, where we may consider it marketplace, unified, integrated, interval space for users to discover and experience with community vetted, Web3 apps, NFT. Does it mean that Envelop is more accessible for Web3 community, or it is accessible on another goods marketplace or place where any Web3 app could be found?
Yeah, now this is the way for us to be more accessible, more visible, more one new tool to deliver our ideas and our application and all the utility it gives, like just we discussed about Ledger. And so maybe people got worried about this, and here it just you need to give us a bit of help to vote for our app. And moreover, the best help would be if you just use it, but if you also vote, it's definitely be better. It's more beneficial for both of us, because it will help us to reach as many people as we can, and just give the tools for those use cases that sometimes they don't even know that NFT can be that functional and make this utility for that application, marketplace, tool collection, whatever. So here we are, and one more place to find us.
Well, the first thing to do is to find Envelop on the Magic.store. If you're not on the Magic.store, just create your ID, connect your wallet, and discover this marketplace or place or found there any Web3 app, dApp may be found. Envelop is already there. Second thing, you may vote for Envelop dApp right there. So that's another great way, another great marketing channel for Envelop to make it closer to the all Web3 community on this amazing Magic.store. So very simple, and I think we have covered this already. Well, and very simple news, long awaited, I would say. NIFTSY now is an OTC, and OTC stands for over the counter. So another alternative to sell your tokens by bypassing any exchange from P2P, from the seller to buyer. Why this problem is important for us? A long discussion has been the last month about the opportunity to sell buy NIFTSY tokens. So why does it important for all the community?
Yeah, it's important because now we are not in the best phase of the market, and there's lack of liquidity and liquidity pools on decentralized exchanges. And here we got requested from our supporters and token holders who want to get to increase their share of tokens. So they want to have an OTC deals, and here the instructions step by step what you need to make. If you got a portion of NIFTSY and you want to sell them, you just open up an OTC deal, contact us, and that's done. You can go directly or use a Scotch marketplace. Just read this article, and it's real pleasant that people are increasing at current stage of the market. And I'm sure that they find if not the best price, but one of the best price I think ever could be NIFTSY token at, because you just take a chart, and I'm sure that somewhere at the bottom is, and I'm think likely it's most likely nearby this means, and because we are delivering the products, and of course the smart ones make the best deals when everybody is afraid of this.
Well, seems to me that Metascope PTH has offered his exchanging service because he started long
He
years
always
ago
like to
with,
be a guarant or warrant for the deals, and also one of those who want to increase his stake, but he's fifth in the line of these people who want to increase OTC by OTC deals like NIFTY stake.
well, so this works very simple. If you want to buy or sell NIFTSY tokens P2P on OTC market, just write it about in the chat, in a main English chat, OTC buy or sell NIFTSY amount price, and please know that it works for amount not less than 500,000 of NIFTSY tokens. So like you do understand, you needless to say how OTC works. Just simple, the simplest market ever for NIFTSY. So if you have experienced problems with selling or buying NFT on exchanges, just write this in the chat, OTC buy or sell, and read this article as well, and your deal will have been done. Okay, very simple, very understandable. So what else? Any other news to share with our community for today? Alex, do we have anything to add?
For now, not only that in June there will be a conference where I will take part and deliver the ideas of programmable digital assets. It's held by EPAM company. It's widely known, and it's mainly focused on their clients, on developers, and they're in collaboration with the guys who create this blockchain community day for third time already. It's annual event, and lots of speakers there. I'll be speaking on 8th of June at 5 p.m. Central Eastern Time. So be there, and I'm glad that the organizers of this conference are ready to deliver new ideas and are rather anxious about what's happening in the market, and they contacted us and liked what we do, and here we are, like one of participants there.
Well, so Alex will be joining Blockchain Community Day on June from 5 till 9. That's online, of course, so easy to find us tweet. And
Day will be on 8th of June.
So Alex will be speaking on June 8th of June and 17 CET time. So easy to find, easy to join, easy to listen to Alex on this event. Okay, so what else? I think we have covered all the major things. OTC is working. CrossNFT use case works as well. So I think that's all for today. Just follow our Twitter, read our Medium. A lot of stuff, useful stuff is there. You may find it there. Ask your questions on the Telegram chat. Read our DeWeb Telegram channel. Read our digest, monthly digest NFT. All the stuff.
And also, I should say that here's our mission that I formulated on the tweet above. You just scroll down, please. You just no, not down. I mean above. It was about our DAO. What's the mission? We formulated it, and it's all about delivering free economic cooperation through programmable assets, and just simple and obvious. So sometimes when we ask what we do, so we got lots of use cases, but this is our main aim, and what we are making closer by all our development and all our efforts to become more public and visible here. It's like to deliver the economic operation using our programmable assets. And
well, so it's very, very important to have eloquent mission, formulated mission, and DAO Envelop's mission has finally been formulated. It sounds like it's to create free economic cooperation for programmable assets. Two core things: free economic free core things, free cooperation, like it's always about free cooperation between human beings, free programmable assets, and Envelop protocol makes available the programmable assets of any level you'd like to create on different chains, on 13 chains, in a form of wrapped NFT, where assets have been blocked inside with different set of features. So this is like Envelop mission is formulated. So I think it sounds very eloquent and very beautiful, I would say. This is the first time Envelop has formulated its mission in its history. I think that's the first time. Nonetheless, mission always exists. Have you formulated it or haven't, but it always exists. Better to have your mission formulated or than not to have it formulated, because mission should not be how to say I don't have enough English words for formulated. Okay, that's kind of joking, but nonetheless, it's very important that we have our mission formulated. Well, that's all for today. Stay with us, be subscribed, stay tuned, and we will be finishing our conversation for the day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye.